Welcome everybody. This is my last session, session number 7. And what we're going to talk about today is learning from your mistakes. You know, Richard Branson said, you know, when you see an opportunity, take that opportunity and figure it out along the way. So it's the same thing in real estate. Real estate is a contact sport. You got to get out there, talk to people. You're going to make mistakes, but you're going to learn from those mistakes. Don't be afraid. I mentioned once before in the past that when I first started, I was the shyest guy you ever met, but I wasn't afraid. So I went out there and made the mistakes. For example, when I did my first career night, scared to death, my voice shook, people came up to me, "Are you okay?" But I went out and did it. Now it's a joke. It's the same thing in real estate sales. You got to get out there. Don't be afraid. Make those calls. Talk to as many people as you can. The more people you talk to, the more opportunities you will get. It's as simple as that, right? So don't be afraid. Get out there. Focus. Follow your business plan, and as mentioned again, implementation. So don't be afraid. That's all I can say. Get out there, make your mistakes, make it happen. Enjoy your new career. And I really appreciate you joining me on these series, and hopefully I will see you one day. Please don't hesitate to if you ever want to get in touch with me, I'd welcome the opportunity. Have a good day. Take care.